How to post long video on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and let's say here it will lead you to your home page, right? Now Instagram has this new feature where you can actually post up until 1 minute. So it's actually better than the previous version, right? So what you want to do is to create a post here. Let's say this post, as you can see, it's a 1 minute and 37 seconds video. Now, if you tap on play there, it will actually tap on next. So videos, was shared as real, okay. And here you have now successfully actually post a video here up until 1 minute and 37 seconds. Now if you want to trim it, tap on trim there and just cut it anywhere you want. But since we want to post a long video on Instagram, just tap on next here and tap on share. So let's just wait for it. Now here, let's just wait there again. You have to go to your app store or play store depending on what device you have and update your Instagram, since Instagram has this new update again that you can now post a long video on your Instagram. Now for stories you can post up until 1 minute, but for posts you can actually go up until 10 minutes. And basically that is how you post a long video on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.